So we have like a Lila clear carbon 991 turbo Mark II called the Stinger. I mean, I would love if it would be a carbon body, but I'm quite sure it's not. But still, like this lila color. See how the kind of deep carbon weave here goes over to smoothen out to steel here. Or yeah, or if it's foil, but I don't think so. It looks so deep. Here's the same thing. Also looks very deep. Aero kit. I mean, they have not gone too all out. It's just that it's carbon.
Два раза больше бюджет, потому что сюда начинается.
Lila carbon. Docked. See here's no carbon, and there comes carbon. It's kind of a nice mix. Well, I wouldn't say they're over the top. Maybe without the gold wheels it would be more understated. And it's nice to see how they fold out this huge wing.
Давайте представительство.